back to Jyoti Jia Love. Today's video, I think this will be one of my favorite video, I think so, because this is YouTuber Mommy Tag. Yes, and this is a collaboration with Smarky. She is one of my Georgians. Also, she has a wonderful YouTube channel. Please do go watch her, give her some love, show her some love. Do tell her that you have come from my channel. I would love if you do so, because she is also a wonderful beauty blogger. She does amazing videos like DIYs, unboxing, reviews, tutorials, everything. And also she is a mommy of I think 13 months old Angel. So I feel so happy that I'm doing a collaboration with her. Her channel's name is Smarky Samanta Roy. If I'm not wrong, I am going to link that here or down in the description box. Please go and check out her channel. Do show her some love. So frankly speaking, I had no idea about this tag. I didn't know anything. All the credit for the questions, for the planning, for everything goes to her. I was just like, I just said yes to her that yes, I'm collaborating. I want to collab and I would love to collab. I just said this much, and everything from starting to last, I think she did it everything. And I'm so sorry that I was not able to help her, but Smarky, I love you and you know that. So basically there will be like 11 questions and that will be based on this YouTuber mommy one. So God bless you. So yes, if you want to know what all answer we have, then please keep on watching. So here's my diary and I've written all the questions here. So let's start. First is, are you a stay-at-home mom or working mom? Would you have it any other way? All are watching me from a long time, then you all must know that I'm a single mother. I work from home. I cannot leave Jia and go out. So I work from home and I don't want to, like exchange ways or exchange this way, because I'm happy the way I am. So yes. Second is, one must have gear for baby. I personally take her water bottle everywhere I go. If I take her to nearby market also, you will find a bottle with me, Jia's bottle. So yes, I think I cannot leave home without her water bottle. Third is, baby's favorite food. Anything you give non-veg to Jiu, she will love that. Whether it's chicken, it's mutton, it's fish, it's prawns, you give her anything, she will love it. Also she loves vegetarian food, like she loves paneer and all, but she will not eat vegetables, like bad. That's my mistake. Fourth is, one thing you bought before your baby was born and you never used it. So here I want to answer that not all, I would not say all Nepali family, but in my case it was like, nope, you cannot buy a single thing before the baby is born for the baby. So I think this will be a pair for me, because I didn't bought anything, not a single thing before Jia was born. So yes, nothing got waste. This weight gain during pregnancy and now. Oh my god, I want to tell you that before pregnancy my weight was like 53, 54, and during my pregnancy, like on the 9th month, my weight was like 70 kgs, and I was like and after Jia was born till 2.5 years also, you won't believe, but my weight was like 55, 56. And now presently I have not dared to check my weight, because I don't want that cart of the weight machine to break. So not checked. Sixth is, dream vacation with your baby. Now this is the reason why I said in the first starting part of the video that this is going to be one of my favorite video, because while I was going through the questions, I have to like literally sit and think of the answers, few of the answers, because I seriously never thought of such vacations or anything like that, because I think I didn't had the time to do so, or I never planned anything like that. So frankly speaking, truly speaking, I don't have any such vacation idea with Jia. But every time I miss my mom so much, like literally this time, I don't know why, from last 1 week I'm missing her a lot more than usually I do. So I think I always say this on each of my video, but I would love to spend my time with my mom along with Jiu. So wherever my mom is there, I think there only my vacation will start. Seventh is, where do you shop for your baby? There's no such particular shop that I go for Jia, but basically for her frocks and all, I've searched so many shops, but I don't find the type of frock I like for her, like for the dresses particularly. Like in Shoppers Stop it's there, but it's like too costly. I go for Hopscotch. That is one of my favorite destination to shop for her online. And also I have a hopscotch review, by the way. If you want to know, you can just click on this link here. And other than that, kids clothes are so expensive here. I mean, if you're a mom, then you might know that I am always looking out for sale and all that stuffs. Like from Big Bazaar, I mainly buy for her. So I think till that I can afford, but I cannot afford too expensive for her. 8th is favorite mommy makeup and skincare. ओके स्किन केयर में तो सबसे पहले आंख बंद करके आई कैन आंसर दैट एलोवेरा जेल इज माई दी फेवरेट. वो भी पतंजलि का एलोवेरा जेल. दिस वॉज गाइडेड बाय माई सिस्टर इन लॉ, बाय माई भाभी. शी इंट्रोड्यूस मी टू दिस एंड आई एम कम्प्लीटली इन लव विद पतंजलि एलोवेरा जेल, यूजिंग इट फ्रॉम आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी ईयर्स. सो येस दैट. और मेकअप में आई थिंक आई गो फॉर लिपस्टिक्स, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है दैट यू नो that just brings a glow or shine on your face. I feel so. 9th is finish the sentence. It makes my heart melt to see what other than Jia smiling. You know, it seriously melts my heart when I see her smile. And also I would like to add on here that whenever I cry, this is a fact, whenever I cry for any reason, she is always like, उसको समझ में नहीं आता वाई आई एम क्राइंग, या कभी भी कुछ ऐसा अगर हो गया है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया एंड आई एम क्राइंग, शी इज ऑलवेज देयर. एंड यू माइट नो दैट शी कैन नॉट वॉक, बट द वे शी कम्स, the way she crawls, the way she struggles from wherever she is till my end, and then she'll be like, you know, she'll start wiping my tears and she'll be like, please don't cry, and she wants to hug me that time. I think these all small things just melts my heart. 10th is best thing about being a mom. I think this no one can tell you until and unless you become a mom. And the best thing is, you know, when you become a mom, I think tab a feeling comes which cannot be expressed, or that time, you know, you feel ki you have someone jiske liye you will not give a second thought. It sounds so filmy, but सच में ऐसा होता है कि you will not give a second thought and you will just do whatever you know you find good for the baby. You will always try to protect them. You will always try to keep them happy. I might tell this with my own experience, but the day you will become a mom na, you will get all the strength of this world. I feel so. तब लगेगा कि कुछ भी हो जाए बस आ जाओ देख लेंगे. My whole family appreciates me and they tell me that I'm so strong, but I always reply to them that the reason of my strength is only and only Gia. So I think that this is the best thing, right? 7th is names of YouTuber moms you want to tag for this. Okay, so if you follow me on Instagram, then you might know that I had asked for suggestions, because I don't know why, but I want this tag to spread as much as possible. Maybe because I'm a mom, that's why I'm little partial. I'm not partial. I try to spread all my tags as much as possible, but I think this is very special. This is very close to my heart, I can say so. So if you are watching this Georgians, I would request you all कि आपका जो कोई you know फेवरेट यूट्यूबर, मॉमी यूट्यूबर होगा, प्लीज डू टैग देम, प्लीज डू आस्क देम टू डू दिस. और मेरी तरफ से पर्सनली आई हैव सो मेनी टू टैग, बिलीव मी. तो मैं उनको इंस्टाग्राम में टैग करने वाली हूँ, या फिर मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी उनका नाम छोड़ने वाली हूँ. मैं पर्सनली उनको मैसेज करके बोलने वाली हूँ कि प्लीज डू दिस टैग फॉर मी. और जिनको मैं कर सकती हूँ, जिनको मैं जानती हूँ, जिनका नाम मुझे आप लोग से मिला है, आई वुड लव ईच वन टू डू दैट. आई विल टैग देम, और आई विल मेल देम, और आई विल send message to them, or I will tag them in Instagram. जहाँ पर भी possible हो, I will do that. और you all also please tag your favorite mommy YouTuber so that they can do this. So that was all for my today's video. Smarky, you are such a darling. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, for asking me to collaborate with you. It was seriously a wonderful experience. I'm feeling so happy I can't even express you. And you all Georgians, please do go and show her some love from my side. I would really appreciate that. And yes, I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.